Good morning, dear students. In the last lecture, we were discussing about the mirror images. I hope you all had gone through and you had find this topic very interesting. So, what was there in the mirror image? In the mirror image, whenever we see our reflection in the mirror, okay, so our left side will be shown as the right side, and the right side is shown as the left side. Okay, so same concept is there in case of the mirror images of the alphabets and the numbers and then the some of the figures also. In the last lecture I had discussed about the mirror image of the alphabets, of the digits and the sum of the figures. Okay, so I think you had done your work till question number 10. So continuing with the same topic, I am going to do now question number 11. Here we have to find out the mirror reflection of the 0, 9, 0, 2, 3 and 1. So our left will become the right and the right will become the left, with the position of the digits will also change as left and the right. When you go through it, 1 will comes at the place of 0, 3 will comes at the place of 9, 2 will come here, and like this so on. When you do this, one position of the 1 will be changed like this, is left will become right, right will become left, so it will be like this. 3 will be shown like this, 2 will be shown like this, and finally your answer when you go through it, it will be A part. If you finding any difficulty that what will be the reflection of the alphabets or the digits, it is given at your page number 20 and 21 in the chart form, so you can take the help from there also. Okay, now the question number 12. Here is the word given to you, that is the Malayalam. You have to find out the mirror reflection for this also. Again, the mirror reflection is what? Our left side will become the right side and the right side will become the left side. Okay, so Malayalam, in Malayalam, left, here it is, it will goes to right side M, it will comes to this place. Okay, A will comes to this place, L will comes to this place, and so on, and the position of the alphabets individually will also change. The left and right will also change. Clear? So finally our answer will be B part. Okay, 13th question is a word given to us, effective. We have to find out the mirror reflection for this also. So on, its right part will become the left, left will become the right, and the position of the individual alphabets will also change. When we see the mirror reflection of E, it will be like this. Mirror reflection of the B will be like this. Mirror reflection for the I will be like this. T will be like this. C will be like this, and so on. And finally your answer will be A part. Now the question number 14. In the question number 14, it is given to us the numbers are 11, 22 and the 44. We have to find out the mirror reflection for them. So the 44 will be written like this. Then the 22, the mirror reflection for 2 is like this, and the mirror reflection for the 11 is like this. And now the geography word is given to us. In the geography word, again left will become right, right will become left, and you have to take care about the position of the individual alphabets also, and the answer will be A part. See students, in case of any difficulty, if you will be finding what will be the mirror reflection of the alphabets and the digits, just go through your chart at the page number 20 and the 21. That will be easy for you. Okay, otherwise you can practically you can do it. If you stand in front of the mirror, you can keep your page in front of the mirror written with the geography word, and you can see its mirror reflection in the mirror also. That will be a practical learning that you can do at your home. Okay, so homework is to do the question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and the 21 in the book itself. No need to go through with your notebook, and the question number 21 also. Now move towards your question number 22. In the question number 22, are you observing something different here? I don't think so that you are feeling something different here. Yes, here is something different like this. This is the mirror. This is the position of the mirror. Here now in these questions, the position of the mirror is shown to us. Here it means the mirror is at the bottom of the figure. Whenever the mirror is at the bottom of the figure, then its bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. If the mirror is at the bottom position, then we have to change the position of the top and the bottom. it means bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. Just be careful about this thing. If the mirror is at the bottom, then we are going to change the position of the bottom and the top. And in the same case, if the mirror is at the top level, then we are again going to change the position of the top and the bottom. For the left and right, so we already know left will become right and the right will become left. Okay, so here the mirror is at the bottom position, so bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. It means this arrow will go to upside and this will remain as it is, its position. We are not going to shift it like this left and the right, because the mirror position is given to us at the bottom. So the answer will be the D part. Okay, and the same here for the question number 23. Again, the mirror is given at the bottom line. It means our bottom and the top position will be changing. Now bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. When you change it like this, it becomes M will become W and the W will become M. So it will be like this. So the answer is our B part. What will be our answer? The answer is our B part. Okay, so M, here it is M. When we change its position, when we make it top, it will become like this, and when we change it like this, it will become this. So bottom and the top, bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. Clear? Now you can see here the mirror is given at the left point, so it means left will go to right and the right will go to left. So if it is circle is here, it will goes to right side. If it is at the left side, it will goes to, it is at the left side, it will goes to right side. It is at the right side, it will goes to left side. So the answer will be this. Clear? And the position of this line will also change. This line will become this. If it is here, now in the mirror reflection, it will be like this. Clear? So if the mirror reflection is at the left side, left will become right and the right will become left. If it is a mirror reflection, mirror is at the bottom, then bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. So you have to be take care about this thing. Now the question number 25, here mirror is at the right side, so right will become left and the left will become right. And see, the some alphabets are given to us, their reflection will also change. The reflection will also change. Now this G will comes to this side with its reflection change, so it becomes proper G. Here it is a mirror reflection given to us of the alphabets. Now the proper alphabets will be shown to us in the mirror. So it will be G, B, R and K. So the answer is your D part. Now the same is the question number 26. In the question number 26, mirror is given at the top position. Now the top will become bottom and the bottom will become top. So here